Tajmotormedics. I've got a Citroen DS5 here on a 2012 plate. So what we're doing is we're replacing the brake light bulb on this. Can you press the brakes? See, that one there is working. This one's working, but this one here isn't. Now it is a quite simple procedure. The bulb you need is a single filament bulb, and there are hidden screws. I'm just going to show you which one. To undo the boot, you press the button here, somewhere, and then that's it. On the inside here, you've got this cover. Let go of the brakes now. You take this cover off. That's that one there. And then you've got one screw, which is here, that one there. And then you've got one screw there. So what I do, I take this one out first. Usually they do get a bit tight, so just use force if you have to undo it. But when you do put it back together, make sure they're not tight. I mean, they just nipped up. So this is what we've taken out. And do not drop it. Whatever you do, if you drop it in there, you'll have problem finding it. You might have to get a replacement. You can put a 10mm nut on there with a washer, but then later on it'll be a bit difficult. You're going to need tools to remove them. Once that's done, all you then do is pull this back. So on the inside here, so you've got all the bulbs. So you've got bulb here, bulb here. This is for the reverse. Now, if the position lamp goes for any reason, you're going to need the whole cluster. So that's part of the rear tail light. So you're going to need to replace the whole tail light because it's got LEDs. With regards to the reverse light and the stop lamp, they've got the normal bulb. So if I undo this left, pull it out. Just remember this rubber seal. Make sure you put this rubber seal back in and then take the bulb out. We're going to replace it with a new one. Right, okay, once I've taken the bulb out, I get a new one. That's the new one right here. So it is a 382 bulb, which is a single filament. Make sure the terminals are nice and clean as well. If they're not, use a fine screwdriver. Make sure the ignition is off. Spray some WD-40 or electrical cleaner and then just clean that bit up. You then put the bulb in, push, press the brakes. That's it, let go. As you can see, that there is working as well. So all you then do is line it up. Make sure it lines up, because if you don't line up, it won't go in, or you'll get condensation on the inside as well. And then turn it to your left. So that should all be good now. So you line these holes up there. You slot it through. Once it slots through, you then screw them back in. So I'm going to just put these two screws back in there now. You've already seen the location of the screws, so you don't need to see them again. If you did find this video useful and it's helped you out a little bit or whatever it is, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out. And there is a playlist for Citroen as well. Do check that out. Right, can you press the brakes? And as you can see there, that's working. That's working as well. That's all it is on this particular model. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.